So Rashmi is having a question. How the stock physically moves from one plant to another plant? That depends. That depends that what is the situation is there, how the stocks are moving from one plant to another plant. It can be moved with the forklift. If the plants are just near, you have two different sheds. Those two different sheds has been created as two different plants. The material can move from the forklifts. Okay. You can have a very small materials, which can be manually, you can give it to someone and he can take it to another plant. That way it can go. If it is a situation like you are having a plant and then you are having a warehouse or distribution center, it would be loaded into a truck and then truck will dispatch out and then truck will go into your destination. Okay, truck will go into the destination. If you are also involved into the SD MM mastery course, SD or MM mastery course, next week we'll be having a transfers. We'll be discussing on the transfer, that how the transfers can happen. One movement, multiple movement, with STO, with delivery, without STO, without delivery. The multiple different ways are there, how the stock can move. This is the option which has been given here, direct one plant to another plant with the movement time. Okay, that if your business allows it, if the business situation is there. Otherwise, another example which I have given, from truck, it goes from one plant to another plant. In that way, you would be requiring STO documents, stock transfer orders you will require to get those transfer done. Sometime inside the premises, we have them different sheds. For juice, there's a one shed, there's a one shed for the bread spread. Okay, two different sheds are there, and you want to just transfer the material from one shed to another shed, which is a different plant. There, basically, you just need to transfer from the forklift, right? If some ad hoc related transfers are required, you don't need a truck. So that kind of internal transfer you can directly do with the movement type from one plant to another plant.